Hi everyone, welcome to I Make Stuff. This week we're going to be making another t-shirt, but this is going to be a little bit different than all the other ones that I've done on my channel before. I'm actually going to be layering 4 different colors. So I'm going to be recreating this shirt for my friend. It has a corgi that's holding some weights. So I have black, white, this darker sand color for the body, and a light tan for the ear. I don't have a peach for the ear, so I'm going to be using this. It should work out because it will stand out for the corgi. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut the patterns onto the vinyl. I've already have everything prepared, so this video is mainly about just how I layer and how I would press it on the heat press. So let's move over to cutting, and then I'm going to weed it and put it onto the shirt. Now that the vinyl has been cut, we're going to remove the extra vinyl from the backing sheet and leave only the vinyl that we are going to be pressing onto the shirt. Okay, now that they have been cleaned up, we're going to move over to the heat press where I'm going to be pressing this onto a tank. I'm going to be going over how I am going to layer all of these colors together. I have my shirt pressed in half with the middle line. I have my vinyl ready. So for a tank top, the design starts 1 inch from the collar. So I'm going to just shift this up a little bit. I also have to make sure that this is the middle of the design. So just double check. This is about 1 inch from the top. Just gonna remove a little bit of extra vinyl. So now that I have placed the vinyl, normally I would press this for 15 seconds, but because I'm going to be doing a lot of layering today, I'm only really going to press for about 7 seconds, and then I'm going to put the next color on top. It should still stick a little bit to the shirt, so when I remove it, you can see that it's coming off. And then now I can press the other layers down. Okay, now I have layered down the white, made sure that it is on the right spot. I'm going to press this for 7 seconds as well. Going to remove the backing sheet. The next one we're going to put down is the black color. One of the main problems with layering heat transfer vinyl, you actually run into an issue where the heat transfer vinyl will shrink a little, which will throw off your layering. So that is actually what happened with me. So I'm going to press the black separately. The head and the dumbbells are a little bit off, and I want to make sure that I get the layering correct. So I'm just going to put the head down first. Little piece of hair in here. And then I'm going to place the dumbbells down after that. I'm also going to split up the body because I had some shrinking there as well. Okay, I'm going to press the first side for half the time. Now that we have layered all the colors together, we're going to press for the full 15 seconds. Okay, so let's get back to the table. So there you go, here is the final result. This is 4 colors that I layered together using heat transfer vinyl and my heat press. I'm pretty happy with how it came out, and I hope my friend will enjoy it as well. Let me know down below if you have any questions on how I prepared my files, but this is how I would layer 4 of my colors. There was a lot of problems that I ran into, a lot of shrinking, so I had to adjust the colors a little bit in order for it to actually layer correctly. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As I said before, let me know down below if you have any questions about layering heat transfer vinyl or whatever materials I use. And with that, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.